Hey Ian, I thought I'd just do a quick video to show you a few things and saves writing about a million emails backwards and forwards. So just a quick one on the bed spring. So my bed here is right now. It's down. So you just pull this, and that releases the bed frame. So I said like it's one-handed. This whole thing will lift forward with one hand. Just grab the other bit of the bed. Lift all this with one hand. Okay, and so that now locks the bed up, and you've got the spring. Obviously, you're going to get your spring here replaced, but this is the main spring body. The actuator that kind of holds the bed down is this little arm here, which locks in against the back or top of this spring. It's kind of like in here, so that when you actually pull the little lever at the front, this arm kicks out, and it actually kicks this this little piece of metal here, and that's what knocks this thing out of action, and why you need to push the bed down when you go to release it for it to go. So on my bed, if we just lift this back over here like so, see that drops down here, and where I mentioned the top of the bed locks in is actually will be resting on this piece of plastic here. So if your spring isn't quite right, or if the tension's not right, then the total weight of the bed is borne by that piece, rather than the cantilevered mechanism of the bed. So in terms of putting the bed up, just to show you quickly what it looks like. So I'm just going to lean on this just to push the bed down, but one-handed. Okay. And so what the spring is doing now is it's actually helping to pull the bed back on its own, and this whole thing is just basically gone back on its own, and then it just requires a very gentle push down like that, and then that's locked it in place. So the bed's now locked, and obviously you just pull this again, and this whole thing just flips forward. If you've got the Velcro tab in the back, it all comes out in one go. So there's that. Okay, and second of all, the water tank. So obviously yours is missing the cover. I'm not sure why. So had a look at the corner of mine. Mentioned in the email, yours looks like it's been repaired. I don't know, like this looks like this could be out of the factory, because mine looks a bit knobbly. So whether that was a design at the factory, whether it's cut the corners off and made them a bit rounder, maybe, I'm not sure. And then obviously lifting the top of this thing off. I just pulled this off earlier. So that's it. So underneath, then what we have is what the water tank is supposed to look like. So I guess you've got this like kind of hexagonal nut with a bunch of cables coming out of it, and that'll be the 12 volt, and also the trigger for the pump for the micro switches in the main bathroom or the kitchen or wherever, or the toilet. Yeah, so that's kind of what it should look like. I mean, this looks like a factory panel. This doesn't look like something someone's made. This is all routed out and kind of same finish as the floor. So I'm guessing yours should have that on there. Anyway, hope that helps, and happy hunting. Good luck with negotiations. Okay, cheers, bye.